How to share your profile on BeReal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your profile. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here there are different profile options. Here in the middle, you'll be able to see share profile. Simply tap on share profile. So here you can even get a QR code. Now on the bottom, you can see different options available. So you can directly copy the link or directly share it to different social media platforms. So simply tap on share, and as you can see, there are many options you can share into. So this will provide a link. They will be able to receive it and directly add you in this application. This is how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.